Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Holifa from 5FPC. Here I want a presentation about type of business ownership. Okay, first step for any entrepreneur is setting up an organization that will be used to formally embark on the business journey. But many new business owners struggle to identify the best way to move forward. These are the most common ways to organize a business, from the simplest through the most complex. The first is sole proprietorship. The sole proprietorship is the most basic form of business ownership, where there is one sole owner who is responsible for the business. It is not a legal entity that separates the owner from the business, meaning that the owner is responsible for all of the debts and obligations of the business on a personal level. In exchange for the liability, the owner keeps all the profits gained from the business. This form of business ownership is easy and inexpensive to create and has few government regulations, making it a more flexible type of ownership with complete control at the discretion of the owner. In addition, profits are taxed once, and there are some tax breaks available if the business is struggling. So proprietorship often are limited to the resources the owner can bring to the business. For these reasons, sole proprietorship are often most appropriate during the early stage of a business where the owner has little capital or resources to work with but also has few debts to pay. The second is partnership. Partnership are a form of business ownership where two or more people act as co-owners. There are two forms of partnership, which are general partnership and limited partnership, differentiated primarily by the liability covered by the owners. In a general partnership, all owners of the business have an unlimited liability in the business. For a limited partnership, at least one of the partners has a limited liability, meaning they are not personally responsible for the debts of the business. The third is corporation. Corporations are a form of ownership that is a legal entity separate from its owner. This creates a limited liability for all owners but result in a double taxation on profit. Corporations tend to have an easier time raising capital than sole proprietors of partnership, in large part due to the greater source of funding more available to them, such as selling stock. However, this does result in greater government regulation for corporations, such as requirements for more extensive record keeping. In addition, setting up a corporation is much more difficult, requiring more research and capital to cover expense and create legal documentation. The third is limited liability company, a form of business ownership that is taxed like a partnership but enjoys the benefit of a limited liability like a corporation is a limited liability company. In comparison to a corporation, it is simpler to organize and does not receive double taxation. The fourth is S corporation. S corporation is a type of business ownership that allows its owner to avoid double taxation because the organization is not required to pay corporate tax. Instead, all profit or loss are passed on to owner of the organization to report on their personal income tax. This form of ownership does allow for limited liability similar to a corporation but without the double taxation. The fifth is franchise. Franchising is a form of ownership far different from the ones previously mentioned. This form of ownership allows a franchise to borrow the franchisor's business model and brand for a specific period. It comes with a list of advantages, including training on how to operate your franchise system and technology for day-to-day operation, guidance on marketing, advertising, and other business needs, and a network of franchise owners to share experience with. The last is cooperative. Cooperative are organizations that are owned and controlled by an association of members. This form of ownership allows from a more democratic approach to control, where each share is more the share amount of votes, similar to a corporate with common stock. Okay guys, I think it's enough about my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.